If you're a network marketer, there is a very high chance that you are making a critical mistake in your business. This is something that I see over and over in network marketing. And for some reason in our industry, we cannot wrap our arms around this. And that mistake is we think we can handle everything on our shoulders without having to build a system. We think that we can be the marketing person, we can be the teacher, we can be the recruiter, we can be the person that follows up, the person that does the emails, the person that creates all the content, the person that educates after they enroll and they onboard and they inspire people and they travel and they make sure that they get their team to all of the events. Like, it's exhausting. And I know because I've been in network marketing for 15 years. I've been a top producer in a massive network marketing company. I've been the first place grand prize winner in our incentive trip. I've been able to hit a founder spot in our company. I know what it takes to grow network marketing, and I've seen so much of what happens that causes us to either not grow or burn out. And that is not having a system. Now, if you think about it, if you own a restaurant, you're as the owner, you would not be the person who is welcoming everybody, seating them, being the waiter, cooking the food, ordering the food, cleaning everything, all the dishes. Like, you just can't do it. So why is it that in network marketing, we decide that it's our job to take it all on ourselves versus setting up a system like most normal businesses do? And that is why I'm passionate, very passionate about helping network marketers set up an automated system. Now, in this system, it's important that you have a website, you have funnels that can drive people to your classes, your products, your events, your opportunity. We want them to come into the opportunity, but we don't want you to have to tell it 400 times in a month in order to recruit 400 people. So when we set up automated systems that follow up automatically, where you have a link where people can book an appointment if you know you're willing to give them that time, where you know that you can send them a link and gather their information before they actually go to the network marketing site that you're on. Because for me, when my people go to my network marketing company's website and I've sent them there with a link, if I have not put a funnel page in front of that where I've personally collected their information, they're going to be lost to the ether. I don't know what they do if they don't check out how do I follow up with them. And when you are able to create a system that nurtures people before they enroll, after they enroll, you set up a membership site so that you don't have to be the one showing them exactly how to use each product. You can actually go in and create a video and all of your customers have access to that. When you're able to create something like that, that is when the magic happens. So for me personally, I knew I needed something like this. And I actually started with ClickFunnels. I did multiple different email systems. I jumped into Lead Pages. I got into Thinkific. That was my membership site. I did all these things. I ran Facebook ads. But the thing is, I was using Google Forms. I had leads everywhere. I had contacts everywhere, and it was so confusing. And every day I was waking up and I was having to make way too many decisions, what to post, who to contact, all those things. When really, if you really pare it down and you have a system, you can show up authentically as you and become a powerhouse in your industry because you're not wearing all the hats. When you wear all the hats, that is when burnout happens. That is when literally paralysis happens and you can't move forward. And that is why I love helping network marketers build out their system and go high level. Go High Level is my #1 platform that I have been using for 6 years. I got rid of ClickFunnels. I got rid of all the other things, the Active Campaign, my Google Forms, all of those things I got rid of. It's because in High Level, it has everything in there. It is my CRM. It is my emailer. It is my texter. It is where my membership site is. It is where all my funnels, my websites, I can put them all in one place. And all of the information comes into one place so that I've got my all of my contacts. I can see exactly how they've interacted with my contact. I can actually, with my content, I can actually see where they came in from. So if they came in from YouTube, I know that. If they came in from Facebook, I know that. And I can follow up with them in a very curated way because of that. They also get emails from me on a consistent basis simply because they came in through email or Facebook or something like that. And I can then nurture them in a healthy way. If you are a network marketer and you're feeling scattered, you're feeling burnt out, and you know you need a system to help retain your customers and also get your customers, then I want to invite you to try the 30-day free trial of Go High Level right below. I'm actually going to walk you through step by step how to set up your network marketing GHL business so that it can relieve things off of your shoulders and you can show up authentically as you. I've been teaching for 6 years. I've literally been teaching a Tuesday class live, which you get access to when you use my high level link below. You can actually come to that class every week, Tuesdays at 10 a.m., as long as you've got high level, to talk about strategy, to learn new techniques, and also to get specific help. So if you're like, I really want to build this out and I don't know how because you're not super techie, guess what? I am super techie and I would love to help you with that. On top of being super techie, I'm also really good at network marketing. So I hope to see you on the inside of our high level. Go ahead and try the 30-day free trial. You're going to get a bunch of my templates that are going to make it way easier. You're going to get trainings and you're also going to get some live group coaching. See you on the inside.